In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively insert and label figures or images in Google Docs. This is a great skill to master for anyone working on reports, presentations, or any document that requires a polished and professional appearance. Let's dive in and start with the first step. To begin, open your Google Docs document. Navigate to the spot where you'd like your image to appear. You'll do this by positioning your cursor at the desired insertion point. Once your cursor is in place, head over to the menu bar and click on Insert, then Image. From there, you can upload an image from your computer or select one that's already available in your Google account. Selecting the correct image is crucial, so take your time to ensure it fits the context and purpose of your document. Now that your image is in place, it's time to add a caption below it. Unlike some other word processing software, Google Docs doesn't offer a direct captioning feature, but don't worry, you can easily add a caption manually. Simply click just below your inserted image. If needed, press enter to create some space, then you'll type in your caption. For instance, you might write something like Figure 1, description of the figure. This description is not just a label, but also an opportunity to provide essential context that helps readers understand the relevance of the image. To make your caption stand out, yet seamless with the rest of your document, it's a good idea to format it. Highlight your caption text, then press Ctrl+I or CMD+I to italicize it, which often helps it subtly stand out. Additionally, you may want to decrease the font size to around 10 or 11 points so it doesn't overpower the main text. If you prefer a cleaner look, you might center align the caption. These formatting touches ensure that your document looks tidy and professional. As you continue adding more images, remember that consistency in numbering your figures is key. Each successive image should follow the sequence: Figure 2, Figure 3, and so forth. If you're working with many images, keeping a list of figures either in a table or at the end of your document can help maintain order and aid quick navigation. For those who like precise alignment, consider using a table. Insert a table with one row and one column under your image, then place your image inside this table cell. Add your caption below the image but still within the table. Should you wish to make the table invisible for a cleaner look, you can remove the table borders by right-clicking the table, choosing Table Properties, then Table Border, and setting it to 0 pt. This method can often help in achieving neat alignment and structure. By following these simple steps, your Google Docs will transform into a well-organized and professional document, making your visuals stand out and communicate effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy documenting!